how to find your recently watched videos on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. Then move to the menu icon and in the Facebook menu, scroll down and find the settings and privacy section. Then scroll down and go to your information and click on access your information. Scroll down and search your information and continue. Then simply go and click on the first option of your Facebook activity. Click on it, then scroll down and you will get to see the option videos you have watched. This will filter your activity log to show only the videos you have recently watched on Facebook. Click on it and you will now see a list of videos you have watched on Facebook arranged in chronological order. Scroll through the list to find the video you are looking for. And by following these simple steps, you can easily find your recently watched videos on Facebook. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.